Good morning again, second graders. Today, we're going to be solving two-step problems about length. These are going to get a little bit fun, but challenging too. Let's read the problem together. Sam and Sadie are making a poster with a border. Sam has a piece of border 23 inches long. Sadie has a border that is 7 inches longer than Sam's. The top of their poster is 50 inches long. Do they have enough border to cover the top of the poster? Explain your reasoning. I'm going to annotate your problem while you read it again to yourself. Once again, our big question, do they have enough border to cover the top of the poster? That's our big question. But today we have a little question because in the problem, it tells us how long Sam's border is. It also tells us about Sadie's border, but it doesn't give us a number. It just tells us that Sadie's border is 7 inches longer than Sam's. So our little question one is how long is Sadie's border? Once we figured that out, then we can figure out how much they have together and see if that answers our big question. So our little question two is, how long are both borders together? You can see from the picture it that you can draw a picture to represent. Sam's border is 23 inches. Sadie's border is 23 inches plus 7 because hers is longer. Once you figure out Sadie's border, 23 plus 7, then we can go to the next step. You can also model it with an open number line. You can start at 23 and then jump 7. This shows how long Sadie's border is. Then you can do the next step, which is then to add Sam's border, 23, back in. And this would be the answer to your big question. You can see here that this is 50 and our total length of these two borders is going to go past that. So they do have enough to cover the top poster. You can also model it by using a diagram. First, you can add 23 plus 7. Again, this piece is Sadie's. This piece is Sam's. Once you find Sadie's, which is 30, you can add that back to Sam's to find the total. Do you know what 30 plus 23 is? That's right, it's 53. So let's go back up to that big question. Do they have enough border to cover the top of the poster? They need how much? That's right, 50 inches. They have how much? That's right, 53 inches. These two-step word problems are quite challenging. You might want to visit your teacher's office hours to get some help. The problem that we just worked through, you have some questions to answer it. For example, explain how you know the length of Sadie's border is 23 plus 7. Remember, in the problem, it said Sadie's border is 7 inches longer than Sam's. You can complete these problems in your Google document after you watch the video. Then you can complete your practice problems on two-step word problems using length. Again, if you need help, please visit your teacher's office hours this week to get the help that you need. Have a wonderful Wednesday.